Yo, what's up, everyone? My name's Sweet. Charlie the Charmander is actually asleep, but nonetheless, we both want to welcome you guys back to a brand new video. Let's get started. Oh shit, my skin looks hella amazing in this. Like, no light skin shit, but my skin looks hella amazing like this. This is actually pretty cool. So, you're probably wondering what we're going to be doing today. Well, I got something for y'all. And when I say I got something for y'all, I got something that'll probably blow your mind away or probably disappoint you. I've scoured around every store in my possible city area that I could get the world's cheapest art supply. Even though it may be some cheaper than what I have here, it is one of the cheapest art supplies that I've ever purchased in my entire life. I really can't do too much explaining. I just know the commentary will literally tell you everything that you need to know. And, you know, is it worth its price range? Okay, so this is where we get to the commentary of, everything that I've experienced with this art supply kit. First impressions, I do love the casing. I do love the wood feel. It does make me feel like, I'm an actual artist because, wood, art supplies in it. I don't know, it's just hit different for artists. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But I like the appearance of it. Now let's talk about the supplies in there. The markers, they're okay. Typical of what you would think in a children's art kit. Not to be taken too seriously, but I am a serious artist, so me being serious with this was probably the worst thing I probably could have done. Because these are meant for children. I mean, yes, I'm a professional and I should color as a professional. That's the challenge. But you have to play to their strengths. Like, these are children's supplies. So you have to play like, as if you were a child in a way. And I'm not gonna lie, with the coloring, the black that I did, I think I achieved that very well. Like, I feel like I did that. I hope so. I hope I did. Now, let's talk about the paint. The skin, to be specific, when you see it, if it's already occurring or if it's not occurring yet. This was my first time actually seriously painting. I'm gonna be very honest. Now, I can't really give a really harsh judgment or a soft judgment or any type of judgment at all because I lack the skill in painting. Like, I could have done research for, how to paint, but I wanted to go in this thing raw without any type of knowledge of, whatever is inside or whatever I have to use. Like, I just wanted to use whatever was in here. And, obviously that's what I'm doing here. So, yeah, I don't know if this paint is good. It could be good, but it's just maybe my lack of painting skill that is probably holding it back from reaching its full potential. Now, if you guys are painters and you guys are professionals at it or even know something about it, feel free to comment down below on what you think I should do better next time, because I'm not gonna lie, I like the skin tone. I mean, I like the really darkness of it, but it just wasn't what I was going for. Now, like I said, if you got suggestions, feel free to let me know. It's quite okay. I do read your comments. So, I really don't have too much else to say about this. This was just a challenge that was really fun. Like, I can seriously say I had a great time with this. It was to the point where I just let myself not care anymore about being perfect with shadows or placing shadows correctly, because I'm not gonna lie, I did make a couple mistakes with the shadows and everything, but I didn't care. Like, I just wanted to have fun with children's supplies and do professional things, but have fun at the same time. And I'm not gonna lie, this was actually fun. Now, would I recommend this for anyone? Yes. Let me tell you why. I did not go to art school, did not go to art classes or anything like that, or to a serious degree. I kind of just went in head first and, got crazy. Well, I'm not gonna lie, my first suppliers weren't professionals, but when I had the money to do those things that I wanted to, I just literally went and bought like most expensive supplies ever, and I did not know a thing about shadows, color theories, or anything like that. And this right here is a great start to learn color theory, how to color, how to paint. Matter of fact, you getting how to paint and how to color in one setting. So yes, I would recommend it. And because it humbles you, you know, you don't have to start off so high, but once you do get to that level of, you know, getting markers and getting supplies, you'll be able to do a lot more with your new skills. You know, that's one thing I want to say. Like, don't think just because you get expensive art supplies doesn't mean your skills are going to be up there. No, like, you can give probably the best artists cheap supplies and still make something great out of it. Now, my drawing could have been so much better and my coloring could have been so much better, but like I said, I was just having too much fun. I didn't really care about, you know, the end result as much as I would normally would if it was a serious drawing. But yeah, that's basically the premise of it. You know, I would recommend this. Yes. Is it worth for its price? It was $25 in the US, so yes, it's worth it. I'm not sure about other currencies. You might have to look it up on your currency area or wherever you are in the world. But I would recommend this. Like, dead serious, I would recommend this to anyone who is just now starting. So yes, I would recommend.